morning, everyone.
Good morning,
How are you all?
I'm fine.
Fine? Then show me a proper smile. Smile, smile. Beautiful, beautiful smiles. Yes. So tell me, how did you come to school today?
Car, scooty, bus, car.
Car. Okay. To move from one place to another, we need some transport, right? So transports can be bus, bicycle, car. Yes?
Helicopter,
Helicopter. Very good. Helicopter, ship, right? So tell me, what is this?
helicopter,
Helicopter. What is this? Okay. And what is this? Ship. So, do you know one thing? There are 3 types of transport. How many types?
3.
Yes. One is land transport, water transport, and the other one is air transport. Okay. So, Vanish, tell me, where do we see this?
Car,
Yes. Where can you see the car?
landman,
Very good. Give me a high five. Where can you see this?
man, clouds,
Clouds. And where are the clouds?
up,
Up in the sky, right? So this is land transport, water transport, or air transport? Which transport?
air transport,
Very good. Give me a. Yes, very nice. Where can you see this?
water,
Water. So this is water transport, correct? Okay. So today we have learned about 3 transport. Air transport, water transport, and land transport, right? So this one is land transport, air transport, and this one is water transport. Do you want to make paper planes?
Yeah!
Let's go! Now I will give you some colorful paper to make our paper plane. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, which shape is this?
Square!
Okay. So now we are going to fold the page into half like this. Fold it everyone. Zap, go! What is this? Ambulance. Yes, ambulance is used to carry the sick people from home to hospital. Yes, can you tell me the color of the ambulance? White. Yes, and whenever you see ambulance in the road, you should always give side, okay, to let the ambulance go. All right. What is this? Fire engine. Fire engine is used to carry the firefighters. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? School bus. And what is the color of the school bus?
Yellow.
You will find all the school bus color is yellow. Okay. And now tell me carefully, see what is it written? This is NPS International School. This is our school, right?
Yeah!
Okay. Now tell me, where are you all sitting?
In the boat.
And what are you holding?
Oar.
Very good. Okay, now do you want to row your boat?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the streams. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream. And from these vehicles, I will give you two vehicles to each one of you, all right? And you will come one by one and place it wherever it comes. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now Rianshi, come and pick up.
It's a hot air balloon.
Now tell me where it will come.
Air.
Very good. Clap for her.
Boat.
Now tell me where it will come.
Water.
Very good.
Car.
Now tell me where it will come.
Land.
Very good. We have learned about all the different types of modes of transport. Yes?
Yes.
Land transport, water transport and air transport. So now tell me, what is this?
Helicopter.
Where it will come?
Air transport.
Boat will come?
Water transport.
Car will come?
Land transport.
Hot air balloon?
Air transport.
Very good. Okay, clap for yourself.